How to create product bundles with discounts in WooCommerce. Navigate to WooCommerce products and click Add New to create a new product. Set a name for the product bundle. Click on Set Product Image from the right sidebar and select an image for your product bundle. Now navigate to the Product Data panel and select Product Bundle as the product type. The Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Navigate to the Product Bundles tab and click the Add Item button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1, in the Products field, search and select the product you want. With the Sort Products field, you can sort selected products by ID, title, menu order, date, price, popularity, and rating. In the Quantity field, you can set the default quantity for each bundled product item. Check the Edit Quantity by User field to allow the user to change the quantity of a product, and set the min and max quantity for each item. Now, in the Discount field, set a discount for selected products by percentage, price, or fixed price. Then click on the Add Item button to add a new item to the bundle. In Item 2, in the Products field, search and select the product you want. And set discount for this item. Click on the Add Item button to add a new item to the bundle. In Item 3 also, select Products in the Products field and set a discount for this item. Now navigate to the top of the Product Bundle field. In the Title field, you can set the title for the product bundle. In the Description field, you can set the description for the product bundle. At the end, publish changes. Open the permalink to see the product bundle in the front end. In the product bundle page, the customer can see the product bundle name, title, description, and 3 added items. By clicking on each item, customer can see the added product for that item. Added products for Item 1 with a 10% discount. Product Image section. Product Info section. Added products for Item 2 with 20% discount. Products for Item 3 with 50% discount. List of selected products. Calculated total price. Now add product bundle to cart to see how shown in cart. Product bundle displayed in the cart like this.
Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe to our channel, and checking the description for more information.